Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's PC tips I'm going to show you the hidden tricks to improve your PC Wi-Fi performance. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your Windows Start menu. Right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to device manager right here. Click on that, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to network adapter. So click on network adapter right here. So after click on network adapter, next thing you need to do is to click on dual band wireless. Click on it, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to advanced tab, and this is going to pop up. Then from advanced tab, simply scroll down until you get to transmit power. Click on transmit power. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the value section right here. Click on here and make sure you set to the highest maximum. Then come down below right here and hit on OK and restart your PC. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.